Nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa man yudlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah. Wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel Qsharebd. Qsharebd is a channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. Today is our lesson number 10, the last brain mapping lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss demonstrative pronoun and relative pronoun, possessive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and finally interrogative particle. These 5 will be discussed today, inshallah. So let's start with the first demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun in Arabic is called Ismul Isharah. Ismul Isharah are 2 types. One is used for indicating the near distance object, like this means very near object. This is a book. And another one is used for far distance, like that, Jalika, Tilka. Haza and hazihi, this is for near distance demonstrative pronoun. This means that. Haza for male, hazihi for female. Plural dual of this haza and hazihi is hazani and hatani. We have to add this ani. Here also hata ani. You remember, whenever you want to make dual from singular, we have to add ani. Here also the same thing. From haza, it will be hazani, and from hazihi, it will be hatani. So this ta is extra, indicating the female. And for plural, it will be haulai. The same both for male and female. And for far distant, Jalika is for male and Tilka for dual, it will be Zanika and Tanika. This is exceptional. This Zanika and Tanika. We have to remember this one. But this dual is very rare used. And for far distance, plural will be Ulaika. Those are the book. Ulaika means those. Same for the subject, female and female. So this is the demonstrative pronoun in Arabic. So now we will go our next pronouns, relative pronoun. Relative pronoun like who, that, and who is. This is relative pronoun. So who, that, and who is all are meaning the same in Arabic. It is Allazi for male and Allati for female. And dual, similarly, you have to have ani, Allazani, Allazi, and it will be Allazani. We have the ani. And Allati, it will be Allatani. We can also say Allazaini as well. Allazaini and Allataini. This is also. And for plural, for male, it will be Allazina. This Allazina is used in Quran many times. Allazina means those who. And for female, it will be Allati. Here the singular is Allati, and here there is a extra alif here. Allati. The extra alif and this lam becomes this lam alif. You know this. This is the alif. If we add this is the lam. If we add the alif, then it will look like this. This is the lam, and this is the alif. So this is allati, a long vowel will be here. So this is the difference from singular to plural for female. This relative pronoun, among this relative pronoun, the allazi, allati, and allazina, these three is frequently used in. Now let go to the possessive pronoun. The possessive pronouns is the attached pronoun. It normally attached with any word. Here I have gathered or subject pronoun and object or possessive pronouns together, so that you can use this table as a reference whenever it is required. This pronoun 14 pronouns table, I told you to remember. There is a song I sang in my last video to remember these 14 pronouns. And this is the possessive pronouns. Now, very interesting thing I will discuss here, this iya. If we add iya with this all these possessive pronouns, then we will get this meaning. For iya plus e, then it will be iai, I alone. If we add the iya with e, it will be iai, I alone. And for na, it will be iana, we alone. Hua, possessive is who, so it will be iyahu, means he alone. Iyahuma, they dwell alone. Iyahum, they plural alone. Similarly, we can get iyaha, iyahuma, iyahunna. And for iyaka, iyakuma. Iyaka, you remember in the Surah Fatiha we said Iyaka na'budu, Iyaka nasta'in. This Iyaka means you alone. Iyaka na'budu, we worship you alone. Well, in Surah Fatiha we read this one, Iyaka. And Iyakuma means you dwell alone. Iyakum, you plural alone. For female, it is Iyaki, Iyakuma, Iyakunna. So this is very easy, but only you have to remember the subject pronoun and the subject pronoun or the possessive pronoun. If you can, if we remember this subject and possessive pronoun, then it will be very helpful for us for our next journey. So now let's discuss about the interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns is like number one is man. And now let's discuss about this interrogative pronoun. The interrogative pronoun number one, like man. Man means who, whom, or whose. Man hiya, who is he? Man huwa, who is he? This is who is she. For this is hiya means she. You can say man huwa, huwa means he, who is he. Mata means when. When means that, like the mata al imtihanu. Mata al imtihanu. When is the exam? Where aina, this is very important, the aina. Aina ta'malu. Where do you work? The ta'malu is a verb. It comes from this ain, mim, and lam. Amala. From amala, it becomes ta'malu. For fa'ala, tafalu. You remember the conjugation of fa'ala. From fa'ala, it becomes tafalu. From amala, it is ta'malu. Ta'malu means you work. Where do you work? The putting this aina, we will get aina ta'malu. Where do you work? And ayu means which. Like the ayu kitabin, which book. So the ayya, after any word after ayu, the word will be in zar state. The kasrah will be here. Like the ayya kitabin takrau, takrau. Ayya kitabin takrau means which book do you read? Here also this is the verb. It comes from kaf, ra, and a, kara'a. means the read. Qari, Quran. You remember this. Qari means who recite Quran. Then from that Qari, it is Qara'a is the verb. Qara and Takra'a. Again, it is comes from the conjugation table. Takra'u similar as yafalu, tafalu. Tafalu, you remember the conjugation again. The fa'ala, from fa'ala it become taf'alu. Takra'u means you read. And ayya kitabin takra'u, which book do you read? Ma means what? Mahaza, what is this? And limaza means why. Like limaza tafki. Limaza tafki means why are you crying? So this is the very simple example I just picked for you. Let's continue this interrogative pronoun again. Number 7. The kaifa. Kaifa is very important. Kaifa is how much? How? Kaifa haluka. Kaifa haluka means how are you? And kam means how much. How much or how many. Like the kam baitan indika. Kam baitan indika. Indika means you have. And baitan comes from baitun. From baitun it becomes baitan. Like before it was like this. This is baitun. Before it was this ba, ya, sakun, and here it was to dhamma. Because this kam particle, the baitun become baitan, or it is the object of this verb. This is indika verb to be. So kam baitan indika. How many houses do you have? Bima means where with, or by which, or with what. Any one of these three. Bima. Like bima taktubu. Taktubu, again, this is the verb. It comes from this ka, ta, and ba. From kataba, it becomes taktubu. Taktubu means you write. If we put bima, it will be what do you write with. Bima means by which or with what. What do you write with? Ma'a man means with whom. Man means whom. Man means whom, and ma'a means with. Ma'a man means with whom. Ma'a man tazhabu. Ma'a man tazhabu ilal madrasati. With whom do you go to school? Again, this is the verb zahaba. Zahaba. From zahaba it become tazhabu. Like from fala it is tafalu. Fala and tafalu. This is the conjugation table. Ma'a man tazhabu ilal madrasati. With whom do you go to school? And this is amma means about what. Now amma yatasa'aluna. Yatasa'aluna is a verb. This verb, the main root letter is sa, hamza and lam. Sa'ala. From sa'ala, the extra word, this ta, has been added. It becomes tasa'ala, and then it make it plural tasa'aluna, and then it is make it present tense by adding iya. Ya tasa'aluna. Amma ya tasaulana. About what do you ask one another? Sa'ala. Sa'ala means ask. Liman means for whom or for who is or only who is. Liman. Liman hazal kalamu. Liman hazal kalamu. Which pen is this? This kalam means pen. Liman haza means this. Which pen is this? This is the interrogative pronoun. Now we will go for last particle, the interrogative particles. The interrogative particles, these two, and hal, this two is used to make a interrogative sentence. Like fatahta al-baba means you open the door. Fatahta al-baba, you open the door. Now if we make the questioning sentence like did you open the door, you just put this fatahta al-baba, did you open the door? This fata again, this fatahta, this is the verb and the root letter is fa, ta and ha. Fataha means open, and fatahta, it come from the fa'alta. Fatahta same as fa'alta. Fa'alta means fa'alta means you did, and fatahta means you opened. And fatahata al-baba, bab means door, al-bab means the door. Did you open the door? You open the door. Fatahata al-baba, just we add this it will be did you open the door. Same thing we can do with this hal. If we put hal, the same type of sentence we can make, like arafta ahmada, you recognize Ahmad. Araf means recognize. Arafta means you recognize. Arafta Ahmad, you recognize Ahmad. If we put hal, it will be did you recognize Ahmed? Hal arafta Ahmad, or hal arafta Ahmad, did you recognize Ahmed? Now this has some limitation. Where there is a alif lam at the beginning of the word, there we cannot put this alif to make the sentence interrogative. Like here, al-waladu fil baiti, the boy is in the table. If we want to make this sentence interrogative, like is the boy in the house, and if we put then there is a two waladu fil baiti. So this is not correct. So in this case, we have to put this hal. Just to put hal waladu fil baiti, is the boy in the house? Hal waladu fil baiti. This like these two particle is very important for us to make the interrogative sentence. This is the end of our lesson 10, and through these lessons we have completed our brain mapping lessons, and from now and onward we will go for our second level, intermediate level Arabic grammar. Hope you will stay with us. Thank you for watching.